Oh, wow. I don't even know if you can see it right. Yo. Cody. So, Cody. I'm sorry, this is gonna hurt your ears when I turn it on, but this is gonna hurt your ears when I turn it on. But good luck. Here we go.
Put the pussy on me. Yeah, I want it. She call a nigga daddy when I stroke it. I act the pussy out just like I'm Logan. Put the pussy on me. Yeah, I need it. Pussy is the bomb, got me fiending. I beat the pussy up and have her screaming. God damn. God damn. God damn. God damn. The pussy is the bomb, got me fiending. God damn.
Yeah. Turn that bitch down. Bro, I didn't even get accepted. Plus, you need like 1,000 or something followers for that dumb shit. like the requirements. I do not have. Plus, Nick is the one who has the account. He said it's ready for me, so it's not like I can just straight up stream. That's not how it works, bro. That's really not how it works ever. Really? Holy crap. Bro, that's probably because you activated your account like before the new update. I just applied one of my accounts, or I had two of the accounts, so I don't even know if I can actively stream. I went to go put on my Streamlabs and they said I couldn't, so I was like, ah, fuck that. Sister. What you doing, sister? What? Why did it log me out? Yeah, bro, I ain't got no content. Look at it. What you mean missing the window? She talk about crip. Even know what I'm trading? This guy. This guy. Told me I missed it. Telling me I'm missing it, huh? MNQ. No. It's NASDAQ. It's the top 500 stocks in America. Yeah, I'm day trading future stocks. Perfect. I got it set up right here. Just want to see this bounce. 7 minutes left. I gotta wait. No, I'm on an eval. I could trade on my funded account, but they're the same stock. So I have it at 4 hour, 15, and 1 minute. So I have a 4 hour strat on a 50 EMA. I'm waiting for that to break down, create a swing low, retest, continue. That's one strat pretty much. Then I have a EMD strat, which is accumulation, manipulation, distribution strat. And I'm just waiting for a manipulation candle that I will measure. Let me delete this rule. I'm trying to make it a living. That's the whole idea. So an eval account, let's say it's a 50K account. No, it's simulated funds to show that the brokerage or prop firm that you are a profitable trader. No, I have to show them that I'm a profitable trader first. Then you go on funded, which is live capital, and then in which then you would need 5 profit days for 150 per day for 5 days. After that, it becomes like full on live, and it's called payout ready, and you can pay yourself out anything that you make from then on. You just can't hit your drawdown, which is $2,000. Yes. No, no. I am a retail solo trader. I'm basically trading right now. You can go to a brokerage called AMP, which you could deposit by wire or instantly. Trade8 requires it to have a business transaction of 3 days, in which, like, say you put $100 in, $100 you can go to MES. MES is 1 per tick, so you can trade 50 per stock. You can buy like 2 if you put 100 in there. MNQ is a little different. It's more like $150 to $200, or it's like $100 per stock. And then you go to NQ, which is 1,000 per stock. So if you were to buy one, you need $1,000 capital to day trade, and then you need like 10,000 or something overnight to hold your position overnight. It tells you your margins of how to trade, pretty much. So like I had $100 in a live account, which is my own capital, versus holding a 50K account that has leverage on a futures trade. So you can buy up to like, I could buy up to like 40 micros instead of buying one micro with like $100 or $200 in a live account. The leverage is different versus a brokerage, because you have an allotted amount of demo funds for the simulated evaluation starting off versus funded. Funded live capital is entirely different. It's a whole different ball game. So you can make money. Yeah. You could pull money out. If, say, you made $500 trade, so you have $100 in, and it kept going up, and it got to $500. You could pull that out. You can pull $400 out and leave the $100 in. There will be fees. There's commission fees. There is every time you take a trade per the amount stock, it's like a couple cents for every stock. So if I hit buy, it's gonna charge me like 60 cents just for pressing buy for each stock. And that's just to charge for the transactional fee, because it has to be sent to the CME brokerage to the networks, and that's what you're paying, is that network fee pretty much. I do not know why my things aren't syncing. I think it's synced now. It's not. Sync globally? I think it should work now. Because I got liquidated 3 times already. I already put like 300. I put $100 in. It went the opposite direction. It took all my money. Put $100 in. Went the opposite direction. Took all my money. Keep thinking I'm practicing. I'm not. I'm waiting for a setup. And I need $1,500 today. No. You're getting it all wrong, brother. You're on an eval account when you buy a prop firm account. They don't instantly give you money thinking you're a profitable trader. You have to show the brokerage, hey, I can make money. They give you they give you a demo account in which they buy a brokerage account for you. It's a demo account, simulated funds, $50,000. You make $3,000 within 2 days, $1,500, 50% consistency for each day. Then after that, you upgrade it to a funded account, which becomes live funds, which is their money, and you have to show that you can profitably make $150 every day for 5 days. And then after that, you become payout ready, which means you already showed them that you're a profitable trader. So you, whatever money you make is actual money in their money from their money, but like you're trading it, and it's the extra capital. It's called buffer, in which you would make that you could pull out. So if I make $3,000 today on my funded account, say I was payout ready, I could pull that out right now. So $3,000 max, because it's $3,000 per week. It's max payout. So that's how prop firms work. You're just getting an allotted amount of simulated funds. You show them you're a profitable trader, and then you make more money after that, and you can pull as much money out. Now, you will get to a point where you make so much money that they're going to ask you your strategy, and they might upgrade you to an even higher status, which requires more rules and more consistency because you're a super consistent trader. Now, granted, you'll get higher payouts, but there are more rules because they know you're professional at it. So they ask you your strategy, how you do it, blah blah blah. Make sure, because you gain more risk in doing so. Because every time I lose $2,000, they lose $2,000. You know what I mean? If it's a funded account, because it's live capital. If it's a demo, then maybe not. But yeah, you, that's the whole idea and the holy grail behind prop firms is they're giving retail traders the capital to start up. So say retail traders, they make the $3,000. That gives the retail traders an opportunity to put that $3,000 into their own account, and then trade that. So you can go from 3,000 to 50,000, and then you have your own 50K account. So and then you would trade basically like 40 micros, and then every jump, you're making thousands of dollars. That's the whole idea behind it is scalability. Nick's kind of ahead on me on that because I only have one funded. He's at like 4, and his goal is like 7. Because in reality, he wants to be making $10,000, $50,000, $100,000 every month. He just needs to trade on one account. It copies across all accounts, and he makes that in multiples. You know what I mean? So that's just the whole loop we're in. Granted, you got to put more money in than you get starting off for the first, I think, 1 to 3 years. But after that, it's exponential. Like you could go from 10,000 to 100,000 to 1 million to you could be a multimillionaire. It's super exponential, but the statistics are against us just because we're retail traders. We're at the lowest level of data, branch, financial. You know, the only confluence we have is the strategies that we were given, learn, and you just protect your capital and have good risk management. If you have good risk management, you could survive the industry, but without it, you're just getting your money taken every day. I actually just missed the setup, sadly. Yeah, this candle down, this candle down, and I went all the way up here. This is TP 1, 2, and 3. So I mean, if I were to put that into a long right here, why isn't this working globally? What the heck? You want to RR? That would have made 11:31, right there. I could have full ported and made probably past the count for the day, pretty much. All right, I got many of those setups that happen. Mm-mm. Damn, look at that fucking EMD move. Bear C2, C234. That's good. Was that a 4 hour? Shit. Come on, I just wanna. Losing its moment here. I'm like so deep into AI, bro. That's all my feed is. It's just AI. I mean, we want to play Ark. I got the. Huh? I got the same thing Sky does. The only thing I respect is that they keybinded recycling. That's all. The only thing I respect because it took forever for them to do that stuff. Okay, please tell me this is synced now. No, it's not. Why don't? Oh, bruh. How could it do that to me? That's why it wasn't working. Oh. Oh yeah, that thing hit. That hit first TP, man. thing is dumping. Oh, they're getting swept. It is dumping. Kobe. Little man. Fuck you. I am on Discord. Just on a different Discord. Well, I'll join Discord. I'll be back, Kurt. Mm-hmm. 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 Oh, Mr. 37 Horse himself. I know, bro. Big bro day trades himself. Oh, the latency is terrible. I just noticed. Kind of sucks you can't see the chat. Damn. Oh, this thing is dumping. Let's go. Another setup. Mhm. 3080 there. I'll expect this to drop down here. Oh, the aggregation is crazy. It's like news right now or something. Oh. kind of messed up. I it's so laggy. Like I don't know. I can only get the confluence from the 15-minute drop on book maps of the reverse. If I can expect it to go to 138, it will, because it has orders loaded up to 135. Um, it already hit OTE, which was why I pulled out. But I might put some at 9.2 there. There's a fat stop at 8.0 down there. Oh my god, it's gonna hit it again. Come on, go down so I can get in more. Yeah. 9.0. I needed to make another low there. 9.0. I might catch it. It's about to eat day too low. Wednesday's low.
Order filled.
Oh, what a pop off that level. Will it hold though? It's holding. It's absorption. Oh, it's just swept up. Here you go. Big moosh. Big moosh. Big moosh. Keep going. What is that? 115. No, I'm longing it. Yeah. We got a good bounce off there. I'm scalping the OTE, so the entry just happened again. Can expect it to hit 121. Yeah, I don't. I think it moves towards 140, which is golden zone. So, big brother, big brother. What's up, big brother? I'm on 5. Yeah. Called aggregation on book maps is crazy. Might need to turn off the indicators. I mean, it's hitting. I'm at 160. This strategy's been hitting like all week, which is great. It's super easy strat. Oh, TP. Come on.
Order
Dang.
filled.
That was a butter TP. I'll make sure it's 2RR. Yeah. That was a great one right there. That hit. That hit first TP. It could fill before inversing at the middle fair value gap. Oh, it doesn't really have a fair value gap. Never mind. It already filled the fair value gap. So it might. You could take a short at 38.2 OTE if it goes back up to it and supports it. Or, yeah, support. No, resistance it. Sorry. It just did. It just did. Yeah. So my green and red is absorption, and my pink and yellow is sellers or sweepers. And it's actually, I don't know why I haven't been using it. It's pretty good. Like you can see, it swept up. It kept going. The sweep was bigger than the absorption on both sides, so it just kept sweeping up. So until we can see absorption at a certain level, then we can continue the bias on the buyer order flow side. I think I might want to invest because the next step in terms of our trading is volume profile. Because I'm watching videos all over like, oh, nothing is ICT doesn't even matter when you're trading order flow, and you got people who are like, oh, order flow doesn't even matter when you don't want you can't read. Holy manipulation, whole fast sweep. Um, Nothing is good without volume footprint. So like unless you can tell where the point of control as well as like the where the buyers and sellers are getting trapped and have like a good amount of volume, you won't really be doing good with you won't get to the next level of order flow without that. Because I was doing a whole bunch of research on our Jarvis AI stuff, and it told me I did everything backwards. The Jarvis is the last thing you're supposed to make. You're supposed to make the the whole quant dashboard first with like the Monte Carlo, the forward testing, aggregated data. I understand what non-granular and granular data is. It's like everything we're looking on TradingView is non-granular data. So when the candle closes, you don't know how it swept or how it moved. So we need to buy granular historical data to test our strategies on, because in TradingView, you're only testing on non-granular data. So it's not like you're going to see how the market reacted when it hit a level or went to a level. So if you're doing like sweeping or liquidity or those type of um, strategies, it's not really like 100%. You know what I mean? Oh, what I was saying, my guess was it goes straight to OCE and then just reverses again, continuing the bearish bias, because the 4 hour is completely bearish, and there hasn't been a pullback candle yet. The gap, yeah, it's done. It's done. That is. Uh, I don't scalp between 1 and 5 minutes anymore with Rams. I like watching it with 15 minute. Honestly. Oh really? You would do it on 4? I like 15 minute. Honestly, I'm really liking Rams with 15 minute with the strategies I use. I get great swing confluence levels, which I kind of don't really need, but um, it's good to see that happen. The hair. Oh, it's past it already. Straight manipulating down. What's the news right now? Mm. Oh, there's some red folder news today for all Euro. Oh, that's a lot of red folder news. PMI flash. What's PM? Oh, call bay. How's the Oh, Seth in here too. Bro, it's getting mass manipulated down. Oh, oh. Let me zoom that in. Straight fall. Bro, my chart can't even keep up because the data's moving so fast. I have to turn off the sweep and absorption, sadly. I'd like to see when it either swept or absorbed, but it's so nuts. ICT kill zone then. Is this the right time zone? Yeah, it's the right time zone. Is this just outlining pre-market then? Give me another manipulation candle. Come on. Do you watch those videos, boy? I'm guessing not. Did you watch the videos I sent you? Yeah, so I got a 1 minute, 1 minute, 15 minute, and a 1 hour. So like, here, right? I'll give you an example. Like in, like it. These are bad examples. These are bad examples. They're not really performing. Usually, it's on. Huh? Yeah. What? I can see it on mine. Oh yeah, cause you have to watch my stream. Nick's watching this for like my actual trades. Like he's trading with me. That's why I have. What are you trading? Are you still trading XAUSD? This. Oh wait, no. It's about to be a manipulation candle on a 50 minute or manipulation move. Mm, I think we're going to. Or is it? Are you talking about the Asian London New York AMD? I saw the strategy on that. It's pretty interesting. Where Asia accumulates, London manipulates, and New York distributes. Oh yeah, no, it's going down. There's no orders above. There's no orders above. Let's see how far. 30,227. I'm pretty sure that's spoof, but it's definitely magnetizing. Oh, this is what you need, boy. If you got book maps for whatever you're doing, if you incorporated your market structure ideas with order flow on book maps, oh, you'd be unstoppable, bro. Get out of level 1 data, bruh. Get your hands on some level 2. Koa. Jesus. Okay, we have 400. We need 1,000 more. But ain't nothing setting up for me right now. Okay, back to what I was showing you, boy. Right. These are all kind of bad examples, but not really. Oh, here's one. So I have a 4 hour breakthrough 50 MA. I will mark swing low. I want to retest but not break through. And then continuation for a 2-to-1 R right here. Which I mean I can take however much safe I want to, but realistically you would want to pull it to the chandelier stop and then target like a 1 to 2 R. Sadly, it's not a great day, so a 1-to-1 would be sufficient. passive without losing. But that's that strategy. It's just a 4-hour continuation off the 50 MA. You mean a 2 to 1? Yeah. Yeah, that's always what I usually do. But I mean, this strategy hasn't been. It's been all right. Like, you can make small moves of 100 to 300 pips. But yeah. The other strategy, I'm just scalping OT on a retracement. That's literally it. Like, it'll bounce down on a manipulation candle, wait for it to retrace because it needs to distribute a little bit, and then that's all I'm doing. I'm just making small moves like that, and I'm using our ram zones. Yeah, so like if I were to map out this manipulation candle right here, you can see here on the bottom of the move, I could have targeted a 2 to 1 right here. I could even gotten slightly below TP2 there, and almost to RR. But yeah, that'd been easy, like a thou wow right there. Shorts? You got a fat level at 105. I'd watch out. It could just fall. I'd say you're fine because there's more confluence down, but I I see it at 105. There's a big volume. Oh, there it is. Oh, no, it absorbed it. You're good. You're good. It absorbed that bitch. Do not sweep up. I swear to God. Do not. I'm not gonna trade, but I'm on watch for you. Make sure you're good. You're good. It's sweeping down. They're getting rid of their stop losses below. I can see that. They're just they don't give a fuck. Instantly get rid of that shit. Oh yeah, yeah. No, it's gonna drop. They're getting rid of their stop losses. Oh, up or gone. Oh no, there it is. There's your support. How much you need? Oh, oh. So just whatever. Um, you got a spoof there. You see that? Um, they're trailing. They're trailing their stop loss. That's so weird. I've never seen that before. Yeah, you could see it drop and then get stopped at 37 there. Mm. It would have dropped a little bit more to 5-0 before going back up. It's a fat order there at 7-2 at 5-0. Take buys soon. I really want to trade because I just know it's going up. But I don't want to scalp because that's when I go against my rules. Like Nick, I've noticed throughout the entire week that I'm only profitable doing my strat. like like the second I start scalping, I lose it all. Like I try to scalp overflow. It's not terrible. Like I'm I have a more than 50% win rate with order flow, but it's not like it's profitable against my strat in terms of RR. So I just not gonna jeopardize it. Bro, I'm just getting like rage baited on my Instagram now. Just everybody who's terrible at trading. I told you when I get off on the 6th. I just researched into starting a quant dashboard. So that'd be for testing, granular back testing, Monte Carlo, risk analysis, automation, quant research, Bloomberg terminal. I just got a I just got the plan for that, so I'm gonna slowly develop that over the time I'm off. I don't know how our business is doing. I'm sure there's visitors on our websites, but I don't think anybody has signed up for the waiting list. Let me check Pulse, yeah. Bro would be cooking right now. Oh, I got a new task. Oh, I'm home for the day. Or for the night, and I gotta go back to work by 3 a.m. Sadly. What do you mean? I just feel the max payout coming for you, brother. 32 visitors on our websites. Not bad. Oh, I can't wait for the payouts. Can't wait for the 50K capital, for the business. Can't wait for all that shit. You know, I see. Manipulation, candle, let's go. I'm gonna take a long soon. Maybe feel like right now. I'm taking a long.
Order filled.
85825.
Order filled.
Sized in. This is perfect entry. It is? Thank you. Gold's dropping good. We about to go up a little bit. Thank you. Okay, boys. Let's see if this hits. Ooh. Motherfucker, add a 0 to that right now. Oh, Nick, we about to hit. Oh. Oh, don't stop me out. Do not stop me out. You.
Order filled.
Oh, the fifth. The 50 minutes ain't even done. What am I doing?
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh, don't go shopping.
Order filled.
It is. 30. There's 30,000 there.
Order filled.
Mm. Oh, you talking about it like a. Oh, I see it. Yeah, let me.
Order filled.
Should I just put a limiter at 30? No. I should wait. Right, but for a sell or? Oh, there's no ways it hits my OT now. It's not a short yet. I'm supposed to long until my OT. That's my rules, bro. Which it's literally about to hit my trade. It's literally about to hit my trade. I don't know why. I don't know why I pulled out of it. No, MNQ. Do you want me to look at it for you? Oh my god, it's gonna TP, bro. Why did I pull out? Oh, this is human error right here. This is human error. I don't know why I got scared because that 30,000 level. I mean, it is scary. I mean, that's 225 orders. Yeah. No, but like it. I know I am, but like my trades have been hitting that 77% that win rate. Like it's about to hit TP1. No, no, it. Huh? No.